What is up, you guys? My name is Andrew and this is Wanna Crypto, your guide in the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more difficult cryptocurrency terms made easy. Today we have a digest of news which happened last week in the crypto world. Today we have Ethereum is preparing to reverse a trend, Bitcoin futures on the Bakkt platform, the Central Bank of Russia exposes the pyramid scheme, which received money in cryptocurrency, and much more. Let's go! The first news from Tom Lee, a Wall Street financial analyst and corporation founder of Fundstrat Global Advisors. According to him, Ethereum is preparing to reverse the trend and actively grow. All this is due to, says Lee, that in the past few months the price of Ethereum has dropped significantly. The rate almost halved. The second cryptocurrency by popularity and capitalization showed one of the worst indicators of all the biggest coins. And here, Lee assures that the bottom is just around the corner, and very soon we can see a trend reversal and an increase in value. Tom Lee also stated that, in his opinion, negative moods are more likely to prevail among mainstream investors at the moment. Among the reasons for this, the analyst calls the panic sales of ICO projects and the sale of coins by the EOS project, which was based on the Ethereum platform. While Ethereum is preparing to reverse the trend, a serious contender to the second place after Bitcoin has appeared – Ripple, XRP. In recent years, this altcoin has risen very substantially in price. According to analysts, this is due to favorable news about the coin. The cryptocurrency platform Bakkt is already at the final stage before launch, and its first products will be Bitcoin futures. Back in August of this year, the launch of this platform was announced. The main purpose of Bakkt will be to provide users and institutional investors with means to trade digital assets in the global ecosystem. Now, representatives of the company declared that its first product on the platform will be Bitcoin futures with a physical supply of Bitcoins, which can be bought in three fiat currencies – Euro, Pounds or United States dollars. The company states that the platform will not support margin trading and all transactions will be fully secured with assets. The launch of the platform is scheduled for November of this year. In Russia, a financial pyramid was busted that was receiving money in cryptocurrency. The Central Bank of the Russia Federation exposed the financial pyramid in the group of companies under the brand Cashberry. It's explained on the company's website that it's possible to invest both in fiat currencies, United States dollars, rubles, euros, etc., as well as in crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum. The size of deposit starts at $15 and ends with $46,000. Where did the money go? They were spent on loans given to small and medium businesses, individuals, financing secured by movable property, and much more. The number of victims is several tens of thousands of people. Information about the company and its activities has been submitted to the General Prosecutor's Office for further investigation. Mike Novogratz, the founder of the Galaxy Digital Bank, said that very soon Bitcoin will soar in price. His forecast relates not only to Bitcoin, but also to the cryptocurrency market as a whole. This should happen due to the fact that many large companies, including the giants Starbucks and Microsoft, are beginning to take the idea of virtual money more seriously. Novogratz said that this decision of institutional investors was due to the fear of missing out on the opportunities and benefits offered by the cryptocurrency market. Also, according to the analysts, soon Bitcoin may become part of the financial portfolio of many people. The Samsung company decided to help the miners and announced the creation of 10 nanometers ASIC chips for Bitcoin mining. At this stage, the developers of the South Korean technology giant are testing semiconductor-based technology, which will form the basis for launching ASIC chips. The company will supply the CoinGeek mining pool, with which it signed a contract in August of this year and raised $25 million. This is not the first time Samsung dabbles in the field of mining. Before that, the company supplied its chips to some mining corporations. Recently, Zhao Dong, a well-known trader and Bitcoin billionaire, shared his opinion that investing in Bitcoin should be done in the next year and a half. According to the trader, the prolonged bear market is an excellent opportunity to invest your money in undervalued crypto assets. Dong noted that it is the best to hold such assets for 3 years until the bulls return to the market. Less than 1% of users of Pornhub pay for the services of the site with cryptocurrency. However, the company is not losing optimism and expects widespread cryptocurrency and blockchain solutions in the near future. At the moment, the company is working with some cryptocurrencies, namely Tron, Verge and PumaPay, for which users can buy content. In the meantime, thanks for watching. I really want to see your criticism and discussions in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace!